I think I've been in love a couple times. It's such a raw thing. It can so often leave scars. I find it terrifying. Being in love is the epitome of everything I hate about myself. It's neediness, it's clinginess, it's getting drunk and calling you because I just need to tell you how I feel, even though you already know and you don't feel the same. Lately, I can't sleep, and when I do, I dream of you and wake up so soft I am bruised. I wish you would kiss my elbows, my hip bones, my ears, my wrists, my palms. I dreamt that it snowed and the sky turned pink and that you loved me. When I wake up, it's the evening, it's spring, and I love you. I'd kiss your collarbones, and I'd always dream of you.